It's Mine by Leo Leone, retold by Dana E. Burke in 207. The frogs argued a lot, saying, "It's mine, it's mine." One day, a toad came along and he said, "There is no peace because of your endless bickering. You can't live like this." Then, the sky went dark and a storm formed and it started to flood. The frogs were scared and they hopped onto a few stones. Then, there was only one rock left, so they hopped on. Then, they noticed the last rock was the toad, and they said, "You saved us." Did they learn their lesson about sharing? Find out from the Hoover Library.